Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you remove your order information or the Outlook connected account from ShopPay. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to perform this action, you just simply have to open your ShopPay application. And after opening the ShopPay application, you will get to see a bunch of options. Among them, you will just simply have to select this paper-like icon at the bottom. Simply tap there, and after that, you will get to see the option of connect more accounts. Tap into that option and then you will get to see all of the connected addresses into here. Now in order to remove or delete Outlook, just simply tap to the garbage bin icon into the right side of the currently connected option and then tap to remove button. Then your address will successfully be deleted. This way you can easily remove connected accounts or address from your ShopPay account. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.